Clamp down on. To clamp down on something means to restrict it. Particularly, we use it with people or with systems. A clamp is something that would cut off the supply. So to clamp down on something might be, we use it with, the government decided to clamp down on illegal street racing when there were so many accidents. Or the school is clamping down on cheating by introducing stricter exam monitoring. Social media platforms are clamping down on fake accounts to improve online safety. Clamp down on is usually a systemic change to be more strict or to restrict some activities. Clamp down on.